I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. By putting those boards up there and clamping them down, I'm able to hold the piece of trim up there where I wanted it. Then I just went along with a magic marker and marked where the trim was going to go. Now I can set it back down over the top and clamp it in place and put some screws in it. This should go a lot faster going this way than trying to do it one piece at a time all the way down the whole thing. Ryan worked his tail off trying to get it done, and wish I'd have thought of this sooner. But I didn't need to think about it until I thought about trying to slide that piece of sheet metal up over that center ridge. When I was thinking about doing that, I thought I gotta have some way to stop it out here at the end. And that's when I came up with this. So I'll get the trim on. Then I'm going to take each one of these pieces and slide it down here and clamp it onto this girt. And that way it'll be a dead stop. And I can slide a panel down, have it hit the dead stop, come down here. I can slide it over the top of the girt, take the dead stop loose, slide it over to the right. Then bring it down here, set the stop at 2 inches like it's supposed to be, and then move on to the next one. I can set the end at 2 inches like it's supposed to be, put some screws in it onto this girt, and that'll anchor it in place. I'll be able to work my way down the wall. I'll be done with this tomorrow, I hope. I don't plan on doing it today because I had a lot of distractions this morning. But now at least I can record without having somebody playing loud music in the background. They had some kind of an event day over at the school. They were playing music up over 80 decibels and made it so I couldn't record without having to do the whole thing as a voiceover. So you won't see anything I did this morning other than a short recording of how loud they were. But gaining ground, moving forward. I have the trim screwed in. The braces that I made will stop the sheet metal from sliding down off the roof. And these braces kept the trim up at the right position, held where they belong. Now I gotta wait through the bad weather. It's supposed to be thunderstorms the rest of this afternoon and cold weather and blowing like the dickens tomorrow. So we'll have to see how it goes. I'd like to get this sheet metal up on the roof, but I don't want to do it in a windstorm. We'll just have to see how it goes. I'm hoping that the weather holds good enough that I can get that sheet metal up on top. Here we are, almost mid-October. Weather's getting bad on me. I gotta hurry this through. If I want to have this closed off by winter, I gotta work on it really hard.
If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.